Today, we will do a short chakra balancing meditation together. Imagine your chakras as energy centers. The flow of prana can get disturbed, leading to imbalance in these energy centers, causing them to either become overactive or underactive. This can lead to ailments like difficulty in concentration, improper sleep, having a hard time meeting your goals, and even feelings of despair. This simple meditation will help balance your chakras and make you familiar with these energy centers. To begin, let's sit comfortably either on a chair or with your legs folded comfortably in front of you. Do take the support of the wall if you need to. We need our back to be straight so that the chakras are in alignment and the flow of prana is smooth. Let's begin. Close your eyes and I will guide you from root to crown. Let's tune into our breath. Check that you are breathing in and breathing out for the same length of time. Let's do this for 3 rounds. Now that you have tuned into the breath, we are going to use this breath to heal our chakras. Let's begin. Visualize the area at the base of your spine. Here lies the root or Muladhara chakra. Take your breath deep and low into this space. Moving up to just behind the navel. Here lies your sacral or Swadhisthana chakra. Let's breathe healing breath into this chakra. Moving further up to the base of the rib cage. Here lies our solar plexus or the Manipura chakra. Let your breath touch this space. Moving further up towards our heart, here lies the heart center or the Anahata chakra. Breathe expansively to heal this chakra. And moving up further to the throat, here lies the throat chakra or the Vishuddhi. Breathing into the Vishuddhi, healing the Vishuddhi. Moving further up to the space between your eyebrows, here lies your third eye or the Agnya chakra. Take your breath up to the space between the eyebrows to activate your third eye. And then, towards the crown of your head lies the Sahasrara chakra or your crown chakra. Take your awareness to the crown of your head, breathing healing light. Now visualize all your chakras in one line in good alignment. Imagine white, radiant healing light spreading from the crown to the third eye, to the throat, through the heart, through your solar plexus, through the Swadhisthana and into the root chakra. Allow this white, radiant healing light to bathe all the chakras and balance them. As you take one more breath here, imagine all your chakras in this beautiful, radiant white light getting healed and balanced. When you are ready, slowly bring your palms together and rub them. Gently covering your eyes under the warm hollows of your palm. See if you can notice any colors in the dark space under your palms. Make a note of this color. Gently blink your eyelids open when you're ready. Watching the space in front of your ankles as you place the palms back onto your knees. And welcome back.